Number 1.
Anki OVERDRIVE is the world's most intelligent battle racing system. These aren't just cars, these are robots programmed to battle on tracks you construct in seconds. Control them with your smart device and take down opponents in a variety of game modes. Your experience with Anki OVERDRIVE starts with construction. Open the box and build one of 8 battle tracks quickly and easily. From there, the Anki OVERDRIVE app handles everything else, from getting you connected to teaching you gameplay, so you can start playing immediately. The more you play, the more weapons and upgrades you unlock for your cars. By equipping new weapons, special items, and upgrades, you can customize each of your cars to make them your own. There are over 350 different weapons and upgrades for you to unlock and discover. And that's just the starter kit. Once you've mastered the basics, take your game to the next level by adding more track pieces and supercars. Just like choosing maps in video games, how you build the track has a big impact on gameplay. Anki OVERDRIVE offers a ton of ways to play, like a multi-hour campaign with over 25 AI commanders for you to compete against. You can go it solo, or team up with friends for cooperative play. Want to play by your own rules? Head into Open Play and choose from one of 5 game types. And your experience doesn't stop there. App updates keep the gameplay fresh, bringing you new features and functionality. Anki OVERDRIVE. It's easy to pick up and nearly impossible to put down.
Number 2.
Hi, I'm Camilla. I'm 10 years old and I love coding.
Hi, my name is Zane. I'm 12 years old and I love coding too.
I thought coding was going to be boring, but Ozobot makes it a lot more fun.
I've played with a lot of Steam toys. Some were educational but pretty boring. Some were fun but don't really teach you anything. Ozobot is fun and educational.
Let me show you how I learned to code using games and activities.
Are you guys ready for something fun, creative, and teaches you
Problem solving, critical thinking,
and introduces you to computer science?
Computer science.
So this is the Ozobot starter pack. I have the red one.
And I have the blue one.
So do you want to open it?
Let's go for it. As you can see, we have plenty of stuff we can show you. But what should we show them first, Zane?
Well, before anything else, you have to start with calibration. To calibrate your Ozobot, you want to hold down the power button for 2 seconds until it turns white. Then you put it down inside the black circle. When it turns green, you know you're good.
As you know, we have a ton of things to show you, such as decorating skins with stickers and pop-outs.
We also have over 20 activities that you can have your fun with, and markers that you can make your own adventures with.
This is my favorite part, the stickers.
And the pop-outs. But before you do anything, I recommend putting on the clear skin. It's easier to put on these awesome customizations.
Let's do it. Zane, look at my Ozobot.
Cool, look at mine.
Nice.
Let's start color coding with the markers.
But what is color coding?
Well, color coding is where you put different combinations of colors together and Ozobot recognizes them.
Like go left, go right, jump forward, U-turn, and so many others.
Let's go.
Let's do this.
In order to get you familiar with these codes, we have some markers here that you can draw these with. So just copy them down. This is one of the easiest ways that you can learn coding.
Just like that. As you can see, coding is a lot of fun. You can make custom markers.
And pre-made sticker codes.
Don't forget about the website.
Oh yeah. For more information on Ozobot, visit ozobot.com. Did you have fun?
Of course. It's Ozobot.
Good job, girl.
Number 3.
Intelligent Speech War Dragon. Exquisite workmanship, superb material, cool lights, and vivid voice effects. Open able mouth together with shakeable head and tail makes the War Dragon more like a real one. The cool mechanical emplacement adds stronger fighting capacity to the dragon and gives it enough power to bring children happy childhood. Function display. Shake the head. Shake the tail. Touch to interact. Shooting. Music 1. Music 2. Start war mode. Mechanical language. Program.
Number 4.
As a parent, how do you help your children develop important skills that prepare them for the future? Meet Dash and Dot. Fun, easy-to-use, interactive robots that teach kids about programming with hands-on play. Dash and Dot are ready to play right out of the box and can be programmed with our free apps for your phone or tablet. Kids start learning right away with an easy-to-follow tutorial and hundreds of preloaded missions. Dot can be programmed on its own as a quirky magic dot ball.
I'm gonna go with maybe.
Or a hot potato. Dash can do even more. He can dance, race around the house, respond to objects and sounds, and record your child's voice for a fun surprise.
Watch out, Mom, I'm coming through.
Dash and Dot will fuel your child's natural curiosity. They'll love programming new adventures for their robot sidekicks. They can play hide and seek, set up challenging courses, or go head-to-head for a thrilling race. You'll be surprised at their creativity and innovation. With lots of great add-on accessories for your Dash or Dot, there are endless ways for your child to explore and problem solve, all while having fun. Wonder Workshop robots and apps are designed to grow with your child, allowing them to apply what they've learned and expand their capabilities.
Are you serious?
Wonder Workshop, inspiring the brightest minds of tomorrow.
Okay.
Number 5.
Goodness gracious, it's amazing. One of a kind and so incredible. So incredible. So incredible. So incredible. Now I'm a train off the track, racing myself for impact. I don't know how to turn back. It's exciting, shock me like lightning.